Welcome to Let's Talk Law, where we keep bringing to your doorstep simple legal analysis. And in today's episode of Let's Talk Law, we'll be talking about jurisdiction. This topic is one you'll be taught in the law school, and it is fundamental as it is the one that will help you to know what court to institute an action. The locus classicus case for this subject matter is Madukolo versus Nke Dilim, and certain principles were established in how you will know if a court has jurisdiction on a particular matter. If you have a question that requests you to identify the courts with jurisdiction, one of the first things you need to check is the subject matter. The subject matter is the particular thing that causes the court of action. So when you have a subject matter that has to do with landed property, you will know that, or dispute over land, you will know that, okay, this particular dispute is going to be instituted in the High Court. If the subject matter has to do with wrongful dismissal of an employee from the office, you know that you are going to institute the action in the National Industrial Court. According to Section 254C of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Then if the subject matter has to do with election, you look at the kind of election. If it's a presidential election, then you know that you have to can institute the action in the presidential election tribunal, or if it's governorship election, you institute the action in the governorship election tribunal. Another thing that can determine what court to institute an action in is the monetary jurisdiction. How much are we talking about? You know that Section 28 of the Magistrate Court Law of Lagos State pegs the monetary jurisdiction of cases in Lagos State to 10 million naira. So you can't institute an action where you'll be demanding over 10 million naira as damages. So if it's for a liquidated money demand and the amount of money is above 10 million naira, you know that you cannot institute it in the magistrate court. But if it is below 10 million naira or 10 million naira, then you can institute the action. So if you are claiming like 3 million naira, so you can go to the magistrate court and institute the action in the magistrate court, provided that the magistrate court has jurisdiction over the particular matter. One other thing to consider while instituting an action in court is the geographical area where does the cause of action arose, so depending on what the matter is, if it is a land matter, a land dispute, where is the land located? If it is a contractual issue, where was the contract entered into?